Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is definition of effective communication in our life. Communication becomes effective when the receiver understands the meaning of the message as the sender intends. All communication attempts may not be effective. Certain barriers and problems may cause communication failure. When information is received timely, exact meaning of the message is understood and proper feedback is given, communication becomes effective. Consequently, to make an effective communication, the following qualities of communication are needed: timely receiving, understanding exact meaning of the message. Proper feedback is given by the receiver to the sender. R.W. Griffin mentioned about effective communication. Effective communication is the process of sending a message in such a way that the message received is as close in meaning as possible to the message intended. American Management Association has defined effective communication as a communication is said to effective because of the following 10 commandments: clear idea regarding topics and receiver of communication, determination of purpose, understanding the environment of communication, planning for communication with consulting others, consider the content of the message, to make receiver aware regarding the value of communication. There must be feedback from the receiver. The refined properly whether communication messages are of short run or long run importance. All actions must be suitable with communication. Good listening. From the above definitions, we have said that effective communication is based on the idea of meaning and consistency of meaning. Meaning is the idea that the individual who initiates the communication exchange wishes to convey. So communication process need to be completed successfully to make an effective communication. In effective communication, the meaning is transmitted in such a way that the receiving person understands it. For example, consider these messages. Temperature will fall up to 10 degrees today. It will be cold today. Centris paribus. Probably everyone will understand the meaning of the first statement clearly, but the second statement is less clear than the first statement because cold is a relative condition and the word means different things to different people. Only a few will understand the third statement because it is written in Latin language. Probably everyone will understand the meaning of the first statement clearly from the definition of communication. Thank you.